All right, we're going in. Here we go. That's strong. Woo. This stuff. Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're in the truck. We're going to do a nudes review. I have 3 different flavors of this new, is it A-Sha or A-Sha? Hot ones, ramen. We have 3 different flavors, 3 different heat levels. We're going to start off today with this hot ones, Taiwanese tingly pepper. Then we're moving into the sizzling chili garlic. It's a medium level. And then lastly, we're going to hit this fiery hot tonkatsu. We're going to see what these are all about. Now, I've had Hot Ones products before. I know a lot of times they come out with different things. They're trying to hit all areas of the food market. I've had their boneless wings. I don't know what kind of knuckle meat they were using, but they were not good. I've had the Hot Ones Pringles. They're good for a minute, and then you start getting into the citric acid melting your tongue away. So hopefully these are good. We're going to give them a try. Let's get some water boiling and we'll get right to it. All right, we're going in. Here we go. Let's start with the mild. Again, this is Taiwanese tingly pepper. Let's put the sauce in first. Ooh, I need some scissors. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. That's dark, man. That's mild. Whew. I'm gonna. Whew. That's strong. Whew. Make sure I got the right one. Let's go with the veggies. We're going. We're doing it. Doing it all, man. Ooh, chili powder. Oof. We'll try that out. Let's give this a good mix. Smells very peppery. Ooh, I can smell that heat already. I mean, it's Hot Ones, right? You gotta go hot. You can't just have the flavor without the heat, man. My toilet's gonna be hurting later, I know that much. All right, let's go number 2, sizzling chili garlic. Put both the sauces in. This looks almost like that's a soy sauce right there. I don't mind that. All right, here's the actual soup sauce. This seems more along the lines of teriyaki. Let's go with the veggies. The veggies in there. Damn, that's a lot of veggies. And Lord help me. Oof. I just got some of it in my mouth. Mix that. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Last one, the fiery hot tonkatsu. I think I'm saying that right. This is the hottest of them. Our veggies. And shit. Here we go. Now it's gonna be hot because it's on my chopsticks, huh? All right, day 1 using chopsticks. Let me know in the comments how I do. Not good. This is mild Taiwanese tingly pepper going in. Nudes down the hatch. Cheers, everyone. Oh, those are good. Peppery. And get that. This stuff, you can, oof. It's killing it, dude. It's kicking it up a lot. But the flavor's there. This is really good. I don't know about these chopsticks. I don't see how everyone uses these things. I come from a redneck background. We use fork to eat noodles. Very good. Let's try number 2. And this again is the sizzling garlic chili sauce. My nose is starting to run, y'all. Oh shit. Here we go. This one's a little more garlicky, a little more sweet, I guess, from that chili base. Hotter. Something caught my nose. Holy shit. I'm crying. One's not my favorite so far. All right, the fiery hot tonkatsu. Let's try it. By the way, when I was a kid, I never ate these cup of noodles. It was either the little styrofoam ones or the top ramen in the pack, and I only ate beef or chicken. That was it. So these noodle reviews are going to be a pretty big experience for me. Here's the hot one going in. Medium's already killing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me know what I'm doing wrong with these damn chopsticks. Help me out, y'all. This one tastes better than that one. This one just, it's like pure heat. Excuse me. This one's just straight heat, but it has better flavor. It's got more of a saltier, more savory flavor. This one has a sweeter flavor. Even though it's hot, that garlic kind of brings this sweeter flavor. Now, I've had a lot of Hot Ones hot sauces. I'm not a fan of their Fresno garlic one. It's like a mild one, but I don't really care for that one too much. This one's my favorite. It's still hot because I put the hot packet in it, but flavor-wise, the pepper is really good. It's a nice peppery, savory flavor. This one's more just heat and savory. This one's a little more like sweeter, I guess. So this one's it right here for me. This stuff, be careful. Be careful. That's all I gotta say. Be careful. Definitely hot. And I like hot food. All right. That's it for the food review. I would say they're all pretty good. If you like the little more garlicky, sweeter notes, go with the medium. The heat's pretty savory, but it's mostly hot. This one definitely has the most flavor. if I had to buy these again, I would be going with this one, and I probably wouldn't be putting as much hot seasoning in it. I did that for you guys, so, oh my goodness. That's it for the review. Stick around. I'm going to unbox a non-food review item here pretty quick. If you want to check it out, stick around. I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to close this one out. All right, 8:05 in the house. All right, see you guys.